think you're the only one frustrated with Stripe or PayPal? Thousands of creators are searching for better options every day. Here is a quick way to see you're not alone if Stripe or PayPal has caused issues for your business. Just search Stripe alternatives for content creators on Google. You will notice page after page of discussions and resources. Proof that thousands of creators are looking for the same solution. This simple check shows how common these frustrations really are. That's why more than 30,000 businesses in the US and Canada already use EasyPay Direct. They underwrite your account upfront so you are approved with a bank that supports your model from the start. Plus, you get features like transaction routing and 250 plus integrations, making it easy to keep payments stable and connect with the tools you already use. I've linked EasyPay Direct in the description so you can see why so many creators have already switched. Joining them is simple. Just fill out the quick sign up form and you will have a reliable merchant account designed for content creators and coaches. The link's in the description when you are ready.